I bet you've never seen a truly bulletproof dog toy.
At Cheeky Dog Toys, we are currently designing the new standard for plush dog toys by using the same materials as used in bulletproof and stab-proof vests.
We are a family of engineers developing the strongest and safest dog toys in the world with the best fabrics and the best assembly techniques.